If you want to see more coding projects, like and subscribe, I've got a ton of great tutorials coming up. The window.screen object provides information about the screen on which the browser is running, including its dimensions and color depth. It's a useful way to understand the environment where your website or application is being viewed. We will use this object in the example to access details like the screen width, height, and the color depth, and display them. This example demonstrates how to retrieve and display various screen properties of the user's device using the window screen object in JavaScript. The content will be dynamically inserted here by JavaScript. The screen information will be displayed here. This script demonstrates how to use the windowed screen object to get information about the screen's properties. Declare a variable screen width to hold the width of the screen in pixels. Window.screened width returns the width of the screen in pixels. This is useful when you want to know how wide the user screen is for layout decisions. Declare a variable screen height to hold the height of the screen in pixels. Window.screened height returns the height of the screen in pixels. This gives you the vertical dimension of the user's screen, which can help with responsive design. Declare a variable color depth to hold the color depth of the screen in bits per pixel. Window.screen.colorDepth tells you the number of bits per pixel used for color representation. Typically, color depth is 24 or 32 bits, representing the number of colors the screen can display. This is useful when adjusting content for high-definition displays or determining if a certain color palette is supported. Declare a variable available width to hold the available width for web content on the screen. Window.screen.avail width gives the width of the available screen space, excluding things like taskbars or docked elements. This tells you how much space is available for displaying content. Declare a variable available height to hold the available height for web content on the screen. Windowed screen avail height returns the available height of the screen, excluding system bars. like the taskbar on Windows or the dock on Mac OS. It tells you how much height is available for content. Declare a function DisplayScreenInfo that will display all the screen information. Create a string screeninfo that combines all the screen properties into a readable format. The string uses template literals backticks to include variables directly in the text. Each line includes the corresponding property to display it in a readable format. Get the element with ID, screen info, and update its content with the screen information. Document getElementById, screenInfo selects the div element with the ID, screenInfo. Inner HTML is used to set the HTML content inside the div with the formatted screen information. The pre-tag preserves formatting like new lines and spaces to make the output more readable. Call the DisplayScreenInfo function to run it and display the information. This triggers the function that gathers all screen details and injects them into the web page. Now run our code. All right, I know you're loving this coding goodness. So, if you want to keep the tutorials coming, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. It's quick, it's easy, and you'll be helping me create more awesome content for you. Plus, you won't miss any of my cool tips and tricks. So go ahead, click it.
You know you want to.